Lacey and welcome back to our space. So today in our space I have a quick Dollar Tree haul for you guys, and please excuse my voice if I sound raspy because I have been losing my voice on and off all day, and so I'm going to try to get through this video without actually sounding hoarse for it. It's been crazy with the weather here. The temperature's been really high in the 90s with full humidity and then dropping way down into the 60s, and so we are fighting some craziness with rain and all kinds of different things going on. Plus, Chad is really sick, and I think I might be catching what he has. But sorry for all that. We're going to jump into this Dollar Tree haul. I found some items that I think that are brand new to my store. If you follow me for a while, you know that my store is always behind. We miss out on getting a lot of items that other stores have. We don't either get them at all, or we don't get them until the season is almost over or the holiday is almost over. So I was lucky to find a couple of these things that I want to use in either DIYs or use in my home for fall. As you can see, I still have my summer pillows out. I'm going to be decorating this weekend for fall, but I haven't even had a chance to get that done. So the very first thing that I ended up picking up were these really beautiful florals. These are orange sunflowers. I picked up 4 stems of them. I always make a wreath for my front porch, and I didn't have one made this year with everything that was going on. So I picked up these to throw something together. I am hopefully going to have it ready for a collab that is coming up shortly, and I think these will be really pretty. Then next, I ended up picking up this. We finally ended up getting the sunflower plates in, and they had the plates and the salad plates, but that's all I saw at my store. I didn't see any bowls. I didn't see any mugs or anything. I don't know if they were just putting them out. They did not have them out special by themselves. They had them just sitting with the regular plates, and I had been going in Dollar Tree like every other day looking for items, and I never saw these out with the regular stuff. And plus I went to like probably 10 Dollar Trees in my area over the last 3 weeks. Probably, I mean, each one 3 or 4 times, and this is the first time I've ever seen these sunflower plates at my store. So I ended up just picking up 1 plate because I want to use it for a DIY, but come on, Dollar Tree. I'm in Michigan. Can we please get the same items that everybody else is getting? I'm just saying. Next, I ended up finding sorry about that little rant, but it drives me crazy sometimes that we can't get the things that everybody else is getting. But next I ended up finding these little stands, these little signs. They're so cute. This one is a scarecrow, and then this one is an owl, and they also had a pumpkin one, and they have little sayings on the front of them. This one says harvest, and this one says autumn. Now they have these crazy little button, I don't know what they are. They're not really feet, they're just buttons, and they're not like, I don't know, they don't support it or anything, so I'm not sure why they're there. This side on this one is actually missing one. I have it. It fell off in the bag. But I think I'm just going to rip it off of this side because then you can see the word more. And I think that'd be really cute to set up in my kitchen window. Like this one has both of them, but they're not on there really well. And I think I'm going to rip that off too because this one says autumn and you can't even really read it saying autumn. But they have this little glass like in them, and I think it'll be really cute in the window reflecting the sun. So I picked up those 2. Then next I ended up finding some ribbon, and it's really pretty. They are this really thin ribbon, and I don't know that you'll be able to see that, but it is maple leaves, and I ended up getting one in red and one in orange. And then they also had one in brown, but I didn't really think that I would use the brown. I may use these for a DIY. If not, I think they'll be great to go in my stash. You get about 9 feet, yep, 9 feet of ribbon on here. And I thought they were really cute. Then next, I ended up finding one pumpkin. It is green with some gold kind of painted on top of it, a little metallic, and it has this huge metal leaf with some little curlies off of it. And I don't need any more pumpkins from the Dollar Tree. I pretty much have every pumpkin they have. And I don't know if they actually consider this a pumpkin or a gourd, but this is the heavy, heavy one. I don't know if it's made out of concrete or if it's made out of wood, but I thought it was really nice and I like the color of it, so I picked up one of these. Then the next items that I ended up getting, the last items, it's 2 sets of items. I have never seen at our stores before, and I think they are brand new to Dollar Tree this year. I picked up this vase. It is like an orange tinted color, and it has this nice little twine around it, and then it has a metal leaf on it. And I thought it was really, really pretty and really nice. So I picked it up in green also. And then I picked it up in what would be my favorite, or red. However, I didn't realize that the red one was broken. It's broken at the top. And so I'm actually going to take that one back and try to exchange it for a different red one. But I thought these would be really, really cute, even grouped together for fall. And for $1, I think, you know, Dollar Tree is stepping up their game. Even if you didn't want to use them for fall all the time, you could take the twine off and you could use the twine and the little leaf on something else, and then the vases by themselves without the twine, and it wouldn't be so like fall like if you wanted to use them at a different time of the year. So I thought these were really good. And then the last thing that I ended up picking up is along that same line. They had these new candle holders, and this one is kind of ombre effect, and it's like browns, and it has this huge leaf ornament with a little piece of twine. They also had it in green, which I really thought was pretty too. And they have like a little curly Q off the side with the large leaf. And the leaves are a little different color. Like this leaf is brown, and then this one is like a darker, almost like a charcoal color. And then my absolute favorite, the same one in red. I love this one. You guys, if you have been following me, you know, on the most part, my kitchen is like a cranberry like red, almost like this. Oh, I love this color, and I think it will go great in my kitchen. And I may go back and get 1 or 2 more of this red color, because like I said, you can take the twine off, you can take the leaf off, and you can use it any time of the year. So yeah, that is it for my Dollar Tree haul. I actually went to another Dollar Tree yesterday and I bought some more stuff, but I'm going to save that because it's not fall related to show you guys, because they had some new items in that I thought were really nice and really cute. So I'll be bringing another haul to you guys. But let me know down below if you guys have seen any of these at your Dollar Tree, or if you've seen other people haul them, because I think they are brand new this year for this particular one. And I love the size of the leaf on here. And I also do believe that these are brand new this year. I mean, I know they have vases like this, but not with the twine and with the little leaf on them. So that's it. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, for liking, and always sharing my videos. And if you are not a member here at Lacee Space yet, I don't know why not. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down there. Hang out with us for a while. We have a lot of fun here. Also, if you like, you can follow me on Instagram. It's Lacee Space, the same way that it's spelled here. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye, loves.